this video, two of the MoveAbout occupational therapists are showing us how to set up an activity that we like to call bumper tires. As you can see, the therapists have hung up two large tires swinging several feet apart from one another. And the therapists have also hung up ropes with pull handles that they'll use in order to propel themselves forward once they start playing the game. As you can see, they tuck their knees up into the tire for a nice flexion position and use their arms to pull on the ropes in order to coordinate their movements to swing forward and to crash into one another. It looks like these OTs are being a bit restrained because the object of the game is to knock someone out of their tire, preferably onto a nice cushion or pillow underneath. This activity is a great way to gain increased vestibular and proprioceptive input. Timing and spatial processing, as well as bilateral and postural skills, are a big focus of this activity. Of course, as an OT, you can adapt this game in order to suit the just right challenge for your client. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you next time.